I also got the Temu fever and I ordered some things from Temu. The package arrived, so let's unbox this package together. So the first item here is this is an eyeliner, and this is the eyeliner gel, and it comes with this tiny brush. It looks smaller than it looks in the picture, but it's okay. Next is this necklace. What is this? It looks too inferior. It looks too cheap. I don't know what. Well, let's move on. What is this one? Okay, this is a pants I got. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel. It's just there. Let's move on. And then I got this. Oh yeah, this powder puff. I've been looking forward to get this, right? And then this very tiny little beauty blender. Okay, I like this. I think I got this for less than 2,000. Next is this scarf. Let's just open it. I don't know. It's too small, but it's okay. I also got the white one, same as this. I was thinking it was going to be bigger than this, but this is what it is now. Let's move on. And then I also have another clothes here. I think this is like the 3-in-1 top. Yeah, I like the material. This is the soft. The material is soft. I think I like this. I got this. I got this as well. And then I got the white one. I like the materials. They are not bad. I like them. I got this stick-on nails. Stick-on nails for when I don't have time to, go to the nail salon. I also got this 3-in-1 belt. They're tiny. I was thinking they were going to be bigger than this, but they are not bad. I like the material. They don't look cheap. They look averagely okay. I also got this headband. This one and this one. Wow, I like this headband. They are soft. They are very soft. I like this headband. I like them. I like the fact that they are very soft and stretchy. They are not going to put a lot of tension on my hair. And this is an electric toothbrush. It came with 4 brushes and then this device. So apparently this is supposed to go onto here like that, and then it also came with this cable to charge it. What I ordered is what I got. So yeah, I also got extra beauty blender. Oh yeah, I love it. I got this 2 beauty blender because the one I have is almost gone. So I like this. I think I got this for less than 3,000. Meanwhile, if I want to buy it in my country, one they will sell for you for close to 5,000. Now, the last time I got, like 6 months ago or so, I got one for close to 4,000. Now it should be more than that, and I got 2 for less than 3,000. I also got this earring. They are small. This looks like a child's earring. I also have a dress. I think this is a dress. This is a dress. This is supposed to be a maxi dress, and then the material as well. Temu, what's going on? I'm not happy with this dress. The next thing I have here is glasses. I like the glasses. This is cute. I like the color. Exactly what I saw. Ooh. Oh. I also ordered this gold and black earring. This gold and black earring. They are cute. They are cute. You know, they are cute and very light. I also ordered this brush, right? I like it. I use it for dry brushing my skin. I like it. Another thing I got is also this eye pencil. This deep eye pencil. Yeah, yeah, okay. What I ordered is what I got. I also got this press on nails. What else did I guess? I got this. Um, I also got this brush, eyebrow. Yeah, I bought this bra extension. So some of my bras are becoming too tight for me because I'm a bit bigger than I used to be. So I got this bra extension to extend the length around my, under bust area. Okay, so four of them. I like this year, so I'm happy with it. I got black, white, nude, and light pink. I also got this. I also got this extension for jean. So my jeans are a bit tighter than they used to be. So I just use this to extend the button area so that it's not very tight for me. But I got this earring. I got this bamboo earring. You know, I also got this earring as well. Yeah, I like this whites. Not bad. Another stick on nails. What's this one? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's 3-in-1 wet lips. So this is like a lip pencil. This is a lip gloss, and this is a nude lipstick. Beautiful. Mm, I like them. Oh yes, I also got these earrings. This earring is big. This is how I was expecting the earrings to come. This new earring, very beautiful. I like them. Very cute. I also got this kitchen tape to tape around the sink area. This is looking too small. I was expecting it to be bigger than this. I also got another necklace. I think this one is better than. I think this one is better than the. Oh, okay. I see. This one is a bit better. I have this spearmint oil. So I got this spearmint oil. This spearmint oil, I read on the internet that this is very good to minimize facial hair on the face. That is why I got this. I'm going to try it out. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm still going to try it out anyways. Okay, I got this set of rings. One last thing that is remaining is this speaker. See, I got this wireless speaker. I used to have a Bluetooth wireless speaker that I used to play music from my phone, but that one got spoiled. So I decided that I was going to buy a new one. I said, okay, let me buy from Temu, guys. Hey, but Temu, oh God, look at what I got. Look, see this big. What is this? Is this thing going to bring out any sound? Well, I'll have to try it out to know. But this is so funny. This is what is this one now? Is this the handle or what? God. And this is this cable that came with it. So this is my Bluetooth speaker from Temu. So that's all the products I got from Temu. In all, I like some of them. I don't like some of them. One of the things I noticed from all the products I got from Temu is that some of them are smaller than the pictures they show on their website. So that's what I noticed. Thank you for watching with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.